guys, it's Liz, the official craft nerd, and I am bringing you a quick Dollar Tree haul. Actually, it's a Dollar Tree fall haul. I was very excited because I have been stalking my Dollar Trees for the past probably 2 weeks now, just hoping that they were going to get some fall things in. And finally, they have started to trickle in their fall items. I don't know if it's a Texas thing, but they take forever to get any kind of fall anything put up in the stores. So anyway, real quick, just going to show you some things because truthfully, I've already started projects and I was like, oh, I haven't shown you guys what I've got. So before they're gone and already used up in a project, I definitely just wanted to kind of give you just a quick rundown of some of the things that they have right now. First that I did, y'all, I can't speak. It is one of those days. I am by myself today. I had the entire afternoon to myself, and I've been reorganizing and cleaning my craft space in my office, and just music blaring and just enjoying some me time. And now I'm running down to the point of I don't know what else to do, and I miss my husband and my daughter, and so I love me time, but I love my family time too. So anyway, enough of that. Let's go on and I'll show you some of the things that I got. So first off is the ribbon. And I've been fighting with my window light, but I think we can see it pretty good here without too much reflection. But look at this beautiful, I mean, it's plaid, you guys. And it's these gorgeous gold and just beautiful fall colors. So I got 2 of these. These are 9 foot. So, you know, they're not the longest, but it'll work for if you're going to do wreaths. And that's pretty much, I think, what I got them for. Maybe some other little projects, but they have this beautiful green. I loved the green. And then my daughter actually found these ones. She loved the leaves. So we got these. They do have a lot more, but I restrained myself from buying too much fall product because I still have some time. But this last shopping trip was more of we were restocking for the bags that we give to the homeless, and my daughter has, again, a project she calls the Small Things Project, and we fill up bags for the homeless and people that are in need in our area. So we usually do a weekly, sometimes bi-weekly trip there to restock up on products. So, but I did get a little bit of fall stuff this time around for myself, so that's what I'm showing you right now. I know the mesh tube, people have been finding it in the Halloween colors, but this I thought was cool because this was like a burlap looking mesh tubes. So, and I don't think I've ever used these in any projects before, but again, I'm thinking wreaths or, you know, just as accent pieces. I have seen people put those little string lights inside to make them glow, but I don't know about with the burlap, but I just thought it was pretty cool. So we'll see what I can come up with those. They also had these adorable picks. Y'all, these are so cute. I mean, these little scarecrows, they're just, you know, seriously, 2 of these for $1. They're so cute. I can't get over them. And I think, again, you stick these in just like, you know, you can put them in a wreath, you can put them in just any of your fall decor in the house. I'm thinking I could even stick these. I have like 2 bales of like hay that I think I probably got from like Michael's a year or so ago, and I keep them by my front door and I stick things in them for the holidays. I could stick these in there. So I don't know, I just thought they were adorable, so I snagged those up. They also had these, which obviously I think I grabbed, I want to say I grabbed one of each, yeah. And these are the burlap leaves, and I think they come in there's 5 of them in there. So there was this. They have an orange. Then they have the bigger leaf, and this is like in the more of a green, and then an orange. So again, those are perfect for wreaths, and I know I say that a lot, but a lot of people like to do fall wreaths and things like that for the season. So these are definitely going to be used. These were something, and I know, where's my other one? I probably dropped it. These bows. These are super adorable. Look how cute those are. And this one I've already used on a project, and I love them because they're already made. Now I know how to make bows, but they come in packs of 2, so you know, I was like, dude, these are awesome, already pre-made, and the designs are not tacky. I love the plaid. I know I have another one, but I can't. Who knows where it's at? It's somewhere in here. They also had these little pumpkin clips, and from what I understand, these are a repeat from last year, but I don't think I bought any of these last year. I love the white ones. And then of course, just the regular orange. I'm more of a traditional fall person. I do like the oranges and the reds and the browns, but I am digging these lighter color pumpkins that they've been putting out. So if that's your style, then they've got them now for you. So and then I did get some of these decorative picks as well. Again, these are just for, you know, either to stick them in wreaths or centerpieces or just any of the fall decor around the house. Super cute. And then of course I found some of the little decorative pumpkins, and these had these flowers on top, which I just thought they were cute. So I could try to get a few of the different ones that they had. I feel like I'm always buying some kind of pumpkin decoration because, you know, I like to decorate with pumpkin, but I'm not like a, oh, I showed that one. That was so cute. Oh, little gourd. But I'm not one of those pumpkin spice girls. Big shocker, but I really don't like pumpkin spice. The only pumpkin flavored thing I enjoy is pumpkin pie, and that's it. So yeah, I'm not one of those. You're not gonna find me at Starbucks getting my pumpkin spice latte the day that they come out. No, but I do enjoy decorating with pumpkins for the holidays. So there's that. These were extra, and that's why I bought them. Velvet covered pumpkins. Oh, I mean, my gosh, look at this one. Look at that green. Oh, that's so pretty. They have a brown, and my favorite, look at this blue. I am very, very, very positive that this color is going to be big for this fall season, probably even into winter. This blue, I don't know what it is. I mean, these colors together, oh, they're beautiful. The other things that I got, which I didn't kind of stick out, but is mesh, because I'm making a lot of wreaths right now. So I wanted as much fall colored mesh that I could get. Now, mind you, I still have a ton of what I could score of the large rolls. So unfortunately, I didn't get lucky. My stores didn't have the black and the red and the green, but I did have a lot of purple and a lot of burlap and gold, and then a lot of the fall colors, which are kind of like the orange, red, and burlap, whatever. It's really pretty. So I have a lot of those, but they didn't have, I could not find any of the other ones. So I'm still on the hunt, but I think at this point, those are pretty much all gone. But they did start putting out some of their smaller fall rolls, which still work. And these are more of the fall colors. They have like just a stripe. I think that's what that one is. And then I got green because I needed it to go with, I want to do kind of like a Beetlejuice. Yeah, Beetlejuice. wreath, and I've already got it started where it's purple, but I needed green. I need black. and I think until my stores start putting in the Halloween dedicated decorations, I probably am not going to see any black, but I am on the hunt for those. So lastly, I'm just going to show you the signs that I found, because I'm always buying signs. Now, whether or not, Stevie, whether or not I repurpose them or use them as is, I love collecting the signs. So they had these two mason jar, super cute, with the red truck, because of course that's going to make a comeback, and then the beautiful pumpkins and sunflowers. Totally loved those. Why do I feel like I showed these before? Oh well, showing them again. This adorable pumpkin with the galvanized leaf on there. I grabbed a couple of those. Again, Dollar Tree and the glitter. You can't escape it. I'm telling you, you think you're going to get one sign that don't have it on there, and they all do. But whatever. Look at the truck. Oh, I love it. So cute. Again, they come with these galvanized metal leaves, which easily pop off and can be repurposed elsewhere. I found this one, and this is a piece that can pop off as well. They had this sunflowers, super pretty, and then these, which I thought were very modern. And again, they still have these galvanized metal. These are so pretty. So if you have like a farmhouse design, or you know, you love farmhouse decor, they're really starting to step up their game with that kind of stuff. So be on the lookout for things like that. I know a lot of their signage is now turning into that. And then I just got some plain wooden pumpkins to paint. So again, they've got so much stuff that I've seen on other people's channels. Other people have been finding in their hauls, but I am still just waiting, because I have not been able to find any of it yet. And like I said, in Texas, for whatever reason, they wait on our fall stuff, maybe because our fall really doesn't feel like fall until December. That's pretty much it, guys. The only thing that I got that wasn't fall related was my store had these trays, and I had to get them. They're heavy duty, and I felt like there's so many things that can be done with these, so I bought a few of those. So I do have some ideas with these, and they're charger plates, whatever, I call them trays. So, but that is it for my small haul. I am hopefully going to have time this weekend to do another DIY, hopefully with some more fall decor pieces, because that's kind of where I'm at right now. But yeah, definitely just be on the lookout. I'm trying to think if I had anything else to tell you guys, but I don't think I do today. So thank you so much. Ooh, knocking my stuff over. If you are new here, I definitely appreciate you stopping by. This is a new channel, so I am definitely building it up. That's typically what I do. So you're going to see a lot of DIY projects, either Dollar Tree DIYs or upscale, up thrift, whatever the word is, turning trash to treasure type stuff. Whatever it may be, that's what I want to put on here, as well as when I do some of my shopping haul trips, that you guys can be nosy and see what I got, because I have an obsession with watching what other people like to buy. So, but until next guy, see, I can't talk. I need a glass of wine, I think, and need to call it a day. So All right, you guys, again, if you're new here, thank you so much. I hope you stick around. And if you are one of my already here subscribers, thank you so much. And I appreciate you guys being here and supporting and helping me build this channel. So until next time, y'all stay safe out there.